So we're going to do a unit conversion from cubic feet to gallons, given that we start with 80 cubic feet. We know that we can move from feet cubed to inches cubed, and inches cubed to centimeters cubed. From there, since we know we're trying to get from something cubic to something that's a more familiar volume measurement, like a gallon, we want to move from centimeters cubed to milliliters using our nice, easy conversion. Milliliters can take us to liters, to quarts, and then to gallons. For each step there, we are going to have one space in our chart. So we're going to have one for feet cubed, inches cubed, centimeters cubed, milliliters, liters, quarts, and gallons. We start with what we know, 80 feet cubed, 80 cubic feet. We do not cube the 80 because the feet cubed was already there, we're all set. I'm going to want to put feet cubed on the bottom so that it cancels out. I'm going to move to inches cubed on the bottom so that it cancels out. Move to centimeters cubed, etc. through the whole problem before I even bother to put a number. And you know you did it right if everything seems to cancel except for gallons, which is what our answer should be in. We know that we have the conversion that 1 foot is 12 inches, so 1 and 12, but because we had to cube the units and the conversion fact is not with cubes, the fact is just 12 inches equals 1 foot. If we want to use cubic inches and cubic feet, we need to cube the number as well. Same thing goes for inches to centimeters. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, but we need to cube it to use the cubic units. Now, when we go 1 milliliter equals 1 centimeter cubed, the cubed is already here, so we do not need to cube the numbers. So we just put 1 and 1. We know that 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, and we know that 0.946 liters is 1 quart, and 4 quarts are in 1 gallon. When we multiply the top across, we're going to get a number. When we multiply the bottom across, we're going to get a number. And when we take the top number and divide by the bottom number, we get 598.66. And we know, because feet canceled, inches cancels, centimeters cancels, milliliters cancels, liters cancels, quarts cancels, that this is in gallons. It's very important when you do the math to make sure you're only cubing the 12, only cubing the 2.54, not your whole answer. And it's important to make sure you solve the whole top, then the whole bottom, and divide. And that's how you do a volume conversion.